A number of people have contacted me lately to say, Alan, I'd like an interface for uploading a file into SASjs Viya and running a SAS process against it. And finally, we got around to building a small template utility demo app, you could say, for accelerating that particular use case. I'm going to explain how to deploy it and then a little bit about how it works. So you go to the GitHub site, SASjs file uploader, and in the README, there's 2 lines of SAS code. You just need to run these in SAS Studio. It needs to be SAS Studio V, and that will create the 2 backend services. It will also upload the front end as services so that the app can be streamed. And to stream it, you take this parameter, and in the job execution web app. So this question mark lets you pass the program parameter, and that will run a job execution service that will stream the front page of this app. It's a little bit slow because it's a streaming app and the JavaScript is stored as a service. Not necessarily the best way, but it is very convenient. I'm going to log in using SAS logon. I'm going to set a directory where I'd like my file to be saved. I'm then going to choose a file, and I'm going to upload it. And that will upload the file to that directory and give me a directory listing, and you can see my CSVs right there. So yeah, it might not win any points on style, but it is functional and will help you move along if that is your use case. So to explain how it works, in the SASjs folder, there's a services folder, and within there, here's the SAS program that actually does the copy. It grabs the file from the file ref and then copies it to the target destination you provide, and then sends back the directory listing. That is configured through a config file, and this is where you say where you'd like the app to be deployed, whether it's SAS Viya or SAS 9. And so that's the back end. And then the front end is in the source folder, and it's just some CSS, a JavaScript file, and a HTML file, very short, 78 lines, and a config. And this is where you say for the front end where the back end is located. So that's it. If you check this out and you have any issues, do raise an issue. I found one already. Look forward to your feedback.